noticed this, but is there,
Yeah.
is there no junction 8?
Yeah, there's no junction 8. This is a really good question. It was funny, I was speaking to Brendan Kennedy, a colleague of mine, because he's a bit of an NRA historian and he oversees a lot of our mapping and planning things. So Brendan was telling me that it was part and parcel of a plan back in the day that Junction 8 was going to actually exist. It was going to be a road bringing you out towards Nace.
Okay.
And this goes back to the 80s. And basically it never happened because the zoning around the area changed and you could never go back to building it. So again, it was future-proofing, much like our monolith that's out on the motorway. That Junction 8 would have been there, but no, that's not going to happen now. So.
And it's kind of like the Spinal Tap question. Why not just make number 9 number 8 and like make that one louder?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, and primarily because they wanted to put a little different volume level in between both of them, I think, and that's basically what happened. It was obviously there was plans to put it in place, but it never happened.
And there's no point in changing the signs now.
No, because now the cost and everything, and putting them up, and now
everyone knows where they are. Yeah.
Yes, and it's a secret. Nobody knows Junction 8 is gone. So
That's great.
now it's